What if I told you the biggest difference between an average photo and an incredible one isn't the camera? It's the light. You can have the latest camera, the sharpest lens, and perfect settings, but if the light is poor, your photos will still struggle. Today, we're going to learn how photographers see light, why light matters more than gear, and how understanding a few simple concepts can instantly improve your images. Why photography means light. The word photography literally means drawing with light. Without light, photography wouldn't exist. Every photograph is simply a record of light bouncing off a subject and entering the camera. That's why photographers don't just look at subjects, they look at light, where it's coming from, how strong it is, how soft it is, and how it shapes the scene. Once you start paying attention to light, you'll begin seeing photographs differently. Direction of light. Not all light creates the same result. The direction of light completely changes the mood of a photograph. Front lighting illuminates everything evenly. It reduces shadows and often creates a clean, simple look. Side lighting creates shadows that reveal texture and depth. That's why landscape photographers often prefer early morning or late afternoon sunlight. Backlighting places the light behind the subject. This can create silhouettes, glowing edges, and dramatic atmosphere. The subject stays the same, only the light changes, yet the photograph can feel completely different. Hard light. Have you ever taken photos in bright midday sun and wondered why they looked harsh? That's hard light. Hard light creates strong shadows with sharp edges. It usually comes from a small light source relative to the subject. The midday sun is one of the most common examples. Hard light can be challenging, but it isn't bad. Street photographers often use it creatively to produce dramatic shadows and contrast. The key is understanding what it does. Soft light. Soft light creates gentle transitions between highlights and shadows. Cloudy days are a perfect example. The clouds act like a giant diffuser, spreading the sunlight across the scene. Portrait photographers love soft light because skin tones appear smoother and shadows become less distracting. Soft light tends to be more forgiving. Golden hour. Ask photographers about their favorite light, and many will say golden hour. Golden hour occurs shortly after sunrise and before sunset. The sunlight travels through more of the atmosphere, becoming warmer and softer. Shadows become longer, colors become richer, scenes gain depth and atmosphere. It's one of the easiest ways to make ordinary subjects look extraordinary. Blue hour. Just before sunrise and shortly after sunset comes blue hour. The sky takes on deep blue tones while artificial lights begin to glow. Cities often look magical during this time. Landscape photographers love blue hour because it creates calm, peaceful images. The light levels are lower, but the mood can be incredible. Quality of light. Photographers often ask one question: what is the quality of the light? Is it soft or hard? Warm or cool? Directional or flat? Learning to answer those questions helps you predict how a photograph will look before you even raise the camera. This is where photographers begin to separate themselves from casual shooters. Seeing light. The biggest breakthrough for most photographers happens when they stop chasing subjects and start chasing light. A simple tree can become extraordinary in beautiful light. A stunning location can become disappointing in poor light. Professional photographers don't wait for great subjects, they look for great light. Then they find subjects within it. Understanding light is one of the most valuable skills a photographer can develop, because every photograph starts with light. Learn to recognize its direction. Learn to recognize its quality. Learn when it is hard, soft, warm, or cool. And you'll begin creating stronger photographs regardless of which camera you own. If you want to understand photography faster, subscribe because I'm creating simple videos explaining every part of photography and camera gear.